I just want to share with you today, of course, on how we'll be able to consider the enterprise content management or the ACM. So our organization can expect effective results such as reduce costs, improve work efficiency, and enhance security by implementing the enterprise content management. So what is ECM? So enterprise content management or ECM is holistic approach to information management that uses sharing, utilization, and management of all information across departments within the organization. And it's designed for complete content lifecycle management. ECM is a strategy for maximizing how you use your content. So it extends the concept of content management by creating timelines for each content item and using processes to create, approve, and distribute them. And of course, ECM content includes things like documents, graphics, emails, and videos. We have a lot of ECM solutions actually, which offers strategies, methods, technologies, and tools for centrally storing, managing, and sharing all content, paper documents, digital document, images, and audio files, and others in an organization. Furthermore, ECM realizes efficient integration and management of both unstructured information and structured information, unstructured and structured data in a core system such as ERP, no, in an organization. According to Association of Intelligent Information Management, ECM is the systematic collection and organization of information that is used by designated audience, no, business executive, customers, and others. Neither a single technology, nor a methodology, nor a process. It is a dynamic combination of strategies, methods, and tools used to capture, manage, store, preserve, and deliver information supporting key organizational processes through its entire life cycle. So when we say capture, that is boils down to entering content into the system, or manage, what you do next to it so that it can be found and used by the intended individual. For storing, finding it an appropriate home in your infrastructure, be it a formal content management system or information solutions. For preserve, it refers to the long-term care, no, archiving, if you will, the practice of protecting it for utilization purposes. However, far into the future, the organization needs it to be available. And delivery or deliver, no, putting the information in the right people's hands right when they need it to be there. So, why do we need to use enterprise content management? We know that we need to manage your content to achieve your business goals, but we also must be able to access the version of a document quickly and easily. So this requires processes that are focused on our or by using content to make accurate decisions and appropriate actions. And ECM helps you to do this. So how can our business benefit from ECM? So in 5 key ways, no, you can reduce cost through decreased supply resources, storage space, supply resources, and postal requirements. You'll benefit from more cost-effective and efficient document management and control, and it ensures integrated compliance with government and industry regulations. You'll benefit from increased security with functions that filter sensitive data, masked with reduction features. And ECM facilitates document sharing without compromising an individual's identity or other confidential data. Of course, ECM must be considered the data privacy concern, no? And you can reduce your IT resources by using software as a service solution. So many organizations face significant challenges when it comes to storing, managing, and accessing company information in content. Then again, ECM can solve these challenges. So I will give you, for example, to show on how your business gains value for enterprise from enterprise content management. So example, challenge, no? Several paper documents compromising a mixture of documents of different types slow down the work efficiency, of course. So what will be the solution using ECM? Digital documents are centrally managed so that the relevant information can be readily retrieved as required by person needing it. Another challenge, the loss of paper document result in misinformation and failure to process data. So what will be the solution? Digitization prevents lost paper documents, and an alert functions reduces the frequency of failures in conducting documentation work and processing. Number 3 challenge, physical document exchanges accompanying the process of circulation and approval are made complicated. So the solution, predefining a workflow best suited to each company's approval process will preclude complicated exchanges of documents, thereby achieving more and rapid document circulations and approval activities. Another challenge, of course, is concerns about security in data protection, as I mentioned earlier, no? So in ACM, improving security by utilizing the ACM to set access rights for specific employees, as well as record a lag or the, what we call the audit trail, no? And who can access the information and when. So ECM integrates seamlessly with existing core business system to manage the flow of documents and information use, ensuring the challenges specific to the industry and department are solved. So does ECM work in different industries? Of course. So in finance, for ECM, improving the speed of various manual process in the financial industry, which depend on paper documents from loan composition system to payment processing by digitization and automation, or automation rather. For healthcare, intelligent seamlessly with the medical information system, realizing fast and reliable information sharing such as electronic medical records among medical staff without problems. Considering when it comes to healthcare, the common term that we are always heard from them is the confidentiality of medical records. No? So for government agency, the ECM improved administration services and wasteless workflows can be attained by digitization of various paper documents used by government, no, organization, and integrating this with the core application used by every department and organization. So for various departments, for example, for sales, na, promoting the efficiency of sales activity by digitally storing customer information, proposal in contracts, and others in the latest and complete state and sharing it among designated employees. For the procurement, increasing the efficiency of the procurement operation by automatic storage and management of various data related to purchasing, such as price information and final contract, in addition to the latest details of each supplier in individual files per supplier. For the human resources, improving process, no, speed, no, processing speed by simplifying the management of employee information. Documents can be found easily and retrieved in minutes by HR staff who have been given access authority. For contract management, along with the digitization of contract documents and managed access control, contract management can be further improved by implementing optimized contract management, which will prevent contracts expiring through the use of an alert functions. Now, so a little bit decision making, no? A little bit analytics, no? Wherein this contract management using ECM, now we could able to prevent contracts expiring through the use of alert function, as I mentioned earlier. Accounting and finance, exclusion of paper documents by the digitization of invoices and the implementation of the optimized workflows help to accelerate processing and approvals between many departments. So I think for the workflow manager considered an ECM, a workflow manager makes a short work of your document management. It automates procedure, enables simulation or simultaneous work, no, and makes operation more comprehensible, which leads to optimum control. The software is implemented quickly and simply, and its intuitive interface ensures the highest user satisfaction despite a high level of standardization, because a workflow manager is flexible, flexibly scalable and easily adaptable to use procedure requirements without elaboration customization. Okay? So we're looking forward for the long-term customization, of course, the document management solution without long-term customizing, typical workflows, reducing process time, supports teamwork, and facilitates control. And I think that's it for enterprise content management.